Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is another doll a week. So each week I am showing one of my dolls in the collection that I have, and today I just have to laugh. I've been doing some research on this particular doll. I have had her a very long time. She was actually the last of the dolls that I got as a little girl for Christmas, and her name... She was well loved, let me just say this, but it's Baby Boo. How many of you have ever heard of Baby Boo? So the reason I'm kind of laughing a little bit is because I just watched an old commercial of Baby Boo, and it's pretty funny. I will put a link to that down in the description box below so you can go check it out. But I remember getting her, and I have held on to her all of these years, very, very long. She came out in 1965. That's not the year I got her. I would have been a little young for her. I was born in 1959. I probably got her when I was maybe about 9 or 10. I think that was the last doll that I got. Playing doll, anyway. But she is in her original outfit with her original binkies. Broke off there, but the way she works, let me just show you this. She has this little mechanism thing here, and she cries. She doesn't cry anymore, at least I don't think she does. I don't have any batteries in her. Maybe I should put some batteries and check and see if she does still cry. But when you turn the lights out, she quits crying. When you turn the lights on, she'll start crying. It's kind of like a squeaky sound. And when you hug her, like this, she stops crying. When you cover her up, she stops crying. And when you put her pacifier in her mouth, she stops crying. And it all has to do with that little mechanism there. Here is where the batteries go. And she is made by the Deluxe Reading Corporation in America, New Jersey, it said on the back. Her little outfit is, like I said, this doll's old. And the elastic in all her little outfit here is shot. It is, they're just not there anymore. And her pants, the same thing. Now, I do have her booties still, but again, get them out here. These were her booties, and they're just very, very old. This was a doll I played with, so that's why I wouldn't say she's in rough shape, but she's definitely not in good shape. She's in fair shape, I would say. But there she is, Baby Boo. Let me know down in the comment section below if you ever heard of Baby Boo. And what was the very last doll that you got for Christmas? Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.